Good morning, students. My name is Miss Fatima. Hope all of you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn about use of am, is and are. So let's start. First of all, we are going to learn about where we use am. So students, we use am with only word I. Now let's take some examples. I am 5 years old. I am a good student. I am very happy. So look, in all these three examples, you can see we use am with only word I. Now let's talk about where we use is. So my dear students, we use is with singular pronouns. That is he, she, it. It means that whenever we talk about one person, one place, one animal or one thing, we use is. Now let's take some examples to make it more clear. He is a good student. She is a smart girl. It is a very nice car. Now you can see in all these three examples, we use is with he, she, it. That is singular pronouns. Now let's learn about where we use are. So my dear students, we use are with plural pronouns. Example of plural pronoun is they and we. So students, whenever we talk about more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal or more than one thing, we use are with it. Let's take some examples to understand it more clear. They are playing together. We are learning. So you can see that we use are with plural pronouns, that is they and we. Thank you so much for your time. My dear lovely students, I hope that you can learn it much better now. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy and always keep smiling. Thank you so much.